Welcome to TCI's DecisionLender 4 training series. This tutorial will provide instructions on how to create contract documents. In DecisionLender, you may utilize your own contracts and documents, as well as Wolters Kluwer during the application process. Documents fall into one of two template categories: contract or notification. Contract templates are used when the document you are adding generates on the contract prep page after Generate Contract is selected. Notification templates are used when the document that you are adding generates via the Print Letter button. For example, Adverse Action Letter, Welcome Letter, etc. Documents are associated to loan types, rules, standard and custom fields, and/or contract add preferences. Documents may be assigned to doc sets and used in contract prep. The contract should initially be created, modified, and tested in your demo environment. Upon successfully testing, you will need to utilize the Account Configuration Management tool to move the change to your production environment. Please see documentation and video pertaining to the Account Config Management tool. How to review documents. Log into DecisionLender. You are brought to the landing page. On the sidebar menu, click on the Setup tab. Click on the Document Management subtab. Then select Documents. The Documents page will display, showing previously created documents, if applicable. You may search for your desired document by typing in the name search box. To search for a specific type of document, select Criteria from the Filter By drop-down. How to create a new contract document. Contracts added will be generated using the Documents button on the Contract Prep page. This pertains only to contracts that do not require an electronic signature. The contract document must be a fillable PDF with fields that can receive mapped data. This does not apply to Wolters Kluwer contracts. From the Documents page, click on the plus sign. The Add Documents page will display. All fields marked with an asterisk are required fields. Select Contract Templates from the category drop-down. Enter the name of the document. Enter a description of the document. Documents with an identifying form number should be included in the description. If this document is to be exported, put a check in the "Is this document exportable?" checkbox. If applicable, put a check in the "Is this a Wolters Kluwer document?" checkbox. If the document is a Wolters Kluwer, choose the appropriate subcategory from the drop-down list. Select the loan type to apply to the document. If all loan types apply, hit Select All. Select states that apply to the document or select all states. Select the blue Upload button. A dialog box will display, allowing you to browse and select the PDF file to be uploaded. At the bottom of the page, click on the green Upload button under the Actions column. The mapping page will display. Do not check any of the Sign Required checkboxes. These are for electronic signature DocuSign only. You may also skip the start and end date if it does not apply. Attributes, description, and field type will be populated based on the information from the fillable PDF. Click on the blue Show Object Model button and begin mapping the object model attributes to the object that relates to the field name. Note: users should have a full understanding of the object model. If a mapping is incorrect, the document will not produce the correct output, or may not generate at all. Check the Resize Font box if the field values do not fit correctly on the form. Note: this can be determined once the document is tested. The Mapping Instructions column is for internal use only. Do not enter anything in this field. Check the Currency box if the field requires a dollar value. For example, amount financed, fee, etc. Put a check in the Read Only box if the field is to be read only. To view the document with its field names, click on the blue Show Document button. The document will display, showing a number for each mapped field. Click on the number to reveal the form field name. You may now copy the model attribute and paste it in the search field of the mapping table, allowing you to find it quickly. Once mapping is completed, click the Save button. The new contract will now appear under Contract Templates. You may add additional contracts by following these steps again. This concludes the tutorial. If you need further assistance, you can contact TCI Client Support at 1-800-492-2001, option 3. Thank you for choosing TCI's DecisionLender.